Hey, can't sleep? Still counting sheep at 2 a.m.? Yeah, been there. Whether you're stuck tossing, turning, or just wide awake with your eyes glued to the ceiling, this video's for you. Because tonight, we're not just talking about sleep, we're fixing it. No boring lectures. No fancy gadgets. Just real, simple hacks that actually work. Want to wake up feeling like you actually rested, not like you just survived the night? Let's get into it. You toss, you turn, you stare at the ceiling. It feels like your bed turns into a trap once the lights go out. Sound familiar? You're not the only one. Millions of people are struggling to get good sleep, not just any sleep, but that deep, refreshing kind that makes you feel brand new. Lack of quality sleep messes with everything. Your mood, your focus, your gains at the gym, even how your body burns fat. But here's the good part. You don't need magic tea or an expensive mattress. Just a few smart tweaks to your routine can flip your nights around. This isn't about counting sheep or whispering affirmations. It's about real, easy-to-follow hacks that help your body and mind unwind the right way. Let's stop surviving on naps and actually start resting. Sound good? Your bedroom shouldn't look like a nightclub or a tech lab. If it's packed with blinking lights, snack wrappers, and screens lighting up the walls, your brain's not getting the memo that it's time to sleep. Here's what you do. Dim the lights at least an hour before bed. Your body produces melatonin, the sleep hormone, in darkness. When the room's too bright, that hormone stays asleep, and so do you. Next, lose the screens. Your phone, TV, tablet, all of them. That blue light? It tells your brain it's still daytime. Instead, pick up a book or just chill in the quiet. Keep your room cool, too. A slightly cold room helps signal bedtime to your body. Toss in blackout curtains, and boom, you've got a sleep-ready setup without breaking the bank. Make your room feel like a personal cave for rest. No chaos, just calm. Your body already knows how to sleep. You just have to stop confusing it. The first step? Sync up with your internal clock. That's your circadian rhythm. Wake up and sleep at the same time every day, and your body will start running on autopilot. Next, move your body during the day. Physical activity helps you fall asleep faster and dive into deeper sleep. It doesn't have to be a full-on workout. A short walk, a stretch session, or a quick gymnastics flow does the trick. Watch what you eat and drink late in the day. Heavy dinners or late-night coffee can sabotage your rest. Keep evening meals light and skip that soda or espresso past sunset. You're not fixing sleep by forcing it. You're fixing it by creating space for it. Let your body fall into the rhythm it was built for. The real trouble isn't always the body, it's the brain. Right when you lie down, your mind starts running sprints, deadlines, regrets, tomorrow's to-do list, last week's awkward moment, all of it. That's why you need a wind-down routine. Shut things down 30 minutes before bed. No emails. No scrolling. Just slow everything down. Try this. Grab a notebook and brain dump. Write down every thought in your head. It doesn't have to make sense. Just unload. This helps your mind stop cycling through thoughts that keep you wired. Next, do some slow breathing or play calming sounds. Even 5 minutes of quiet focus can signal your nervous system to let go. Sleep isn't a fight, it's a fade out. Calm your thoughts, and the rest will follow. This isn't a try it once and forget it thing. Great sleep comes from consistency. The more often you do the right things, the easier they stick. So don't try to change everything at once. Start with one small habit, maybe putting your phone away earlier or stretching before bed. Build from there. When your brain sees a pattern, it starts preparing for sleep automatically. Track your progress if it helps. Check off each night you nailed your routine. Even one good night can boost your mood, energy, and performance the next day. Stack those nights, and your body will thank you. You're not chasing perfect sleep, just better sleep, night by night. Make rest a part of your lifestyle, not just something you do when you're exhausted.